Log in to the system. The red bell on the instrument screen indicates an active alarm. For more details, enable Alarm Mode. This screen displays all active alarms and those that have been acknowledged. You can confirm that you have seen the alert. You can add notes. If you tap on the elapsed time, the details will be displayed. Here you can see all the information. In the History menu, you can view the complete alarm history. On this page too, you can view the details of a specific alarm. Log in to the system. To configure the alarms, enable Alarm Mode. Click on Alarm Manager. Click on Categories. Enable Edit Mode. Click Add Category. Assign a name to the alarm category. Select the tools you want to manage in this category. Select the type of alarm to manage in this category. I can create a new time slot by clicking on Time Slot Manager. For example, I create a time slot for holidays. I enter a name and select the days and times. I can create different time slots. Assign the time slots during which the category is valid. You can assign multiple time slots. Select the action to take in the event of a valid alarm for this category. For example, enter the email address where you want the notification sent. You can enter multiple recipients or activate a relay output. Exit Edit Mode. You can create additional categories and combine them with each other. Log in to the system. Access the Instruments tab. Go to the Resources page. Enable Edit Mode. Click on the Alarms cell for the sensor for which you want to set the alarm thresholds. Set a minimum and/or maximum temperature threshold. Enter descriptions for the virtual alarms you have created. Set the alarm delay times. Exit Edit Mode. Log in to the system. Access the Instruments tab. Go to the Resources page. Enable Edit Mode. Click the Alarms cell for the digital resource for which you want to report the alarm status. Select the resource's status when it is in an alarm state. Enter descriptions for the virtual alarms you have created. Set the delay for the alarm signal. Exit Edit mode.